Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to know your tracking number on 1688 using 1688 app. And this thing you can as well do it on 1688 using Google Chrome. And the other way around is to use 1688 app. Whichever way, all you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video and see how to know your tracking number. Okay, now one of the reasons why we need to know our tracking number is because of the fact that our shipping companies sometimes they require to send our tracking number so that they can prepare invoice of our goods, or they confirm that they have received the goods in their warehouse in China. These are the reasons why you need to know your tracking number and copy it and send it to the shipping company that want to ship your goods from China to your whatever country. Okay, so but before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload content about importation, you'll be able to watch the video and learn one or two things. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how to import without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And if you would like me to procure your link from 1688, Tahoba or Pindodo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. And I hope to hear from you guys. So let's get to the practical started. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to access your 1688 app, your 1688 profile using your 1688 app right here. And so I'm going to click on it right away. So having opened up your 1688 app, this is how it's going to open up, right? So the next thing you have to do is to tap on this icon here. So I'm going to click on it right away. It's going to open up this way. So the next step you have to take, So the next step you have to take is to click on goods on transit. These are the goods on transit, okay? Click on that. All right, so these are the goods currently on transit. So you can decide to check any of the goods that are already on transit. You can decide to check their tracking number. So let me say I want to make use of this particular goods here. It's already on transit. So, but before you get to your tracking number, the goods must be on transit at least less than 24 hours or maximum of 24 hours. That is only when you can generate your tracking number. So I'm going to click on this product link here. So when you click on the product link, it's going to open up now, just like what you see on the screen right here, okay? So the next thing you have to do is to tap on this box here. Click on here. So when you click on that, it's going to open up this way, okay? Now, here, this is your order tracking number. Now for you to copy this tracking number, all you have to do is to click on here. Then once you click on that, once you click on this place here, you have automatically copied your tracking number, and you can send the tracking number to your shipping company to confirm the recipient of the goods on your behalf in their Chinese warehouse. So I'm going to copy this particular tracking number now. So I'm going to click on here. Now you can see the tracking number has been copied. So this is how you know your tracking number from 1688 app. Now if you want to track the goods, these are the movement of the goods. So the goods has been signed out from this point here to this point. So the goods is yet to be received in the in my shipping company warehouse. So I'm going to send this particular tracking number to the shipping company so that they can confirm the recipient of the goods as soon as these goods get to their warehouse. So this is the purpose, and this is the reason why you need to have your tracking number in place, and this is how you can actually copy the tracking number from 1688 profile or from your 1688 dashboard using 1688 app or using Google Chrome to access your 1688 profile. I hope you guys learned one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumbs up. And also, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you can be a self-independent importer, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.